Your motorcycle's about to get smarter than your smartphone. I just got my hands on classified footage of 2025's AI-powered bikes, and what I discovered will blow your mind. Picture this. Your motorcycle actually learns your riding style and adjusts itself in milliseconds. The technology I'm about to show you makes today's bikes look ancient. These machines are reading the road and adapting faster than human reflexes. I tested it myself and couldn't believe what happened. The craziest part? One manufacturer has created an AI system so advanced, it predicts and prevents accidents before they happen. But there's something even more incredible about these bikes that nobody's talking about. What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about motorcycles. In this video, we'll dive into the most exciting features of AI motorcycles set to take over in 2025. Get ready to be amazed by the innovations that will transform how we think about motorcycles and how we ride them. Let's start with one of the most crucial aspects: AI-assisted navigation. AI-assisted navigation, real-time route optimization, and hazard alerts. Gone are the days of getting lost or relying solely on your smartphone for directions. With AI-assisted navigation, your bike will be equipped with a real-time route optimization system that continuously analyzes traffic, weather, and road conditions. The system will adjust your route to avoid congestion, accidents, or any potential hazards you might encounter. This is more than just a GPS. It's a smart navigation system that learns from your riding habits, suggesting the quickest and safest paths. If there's a sudden roadblock, construction zone, or accident up ahead, your bike's AI will alert you instantly, providing alternate routes to keep you on track. This technology ensures a smoother, safer ride, allowing you to focus on enjoying the journey, knowing that your bike has your back when it comes to navigation. Self-balancing technology, bikes that prevent tipping over at any speed. Ever worried about tipping over at a stoplight or losing balance on a tight corner? The motorcycles of 2025 will feature cutting-edge self-balancing technology designed to keep you upright at all times. Whether you're at a standstill or cruising at high speeds, the AI system will continuously monitor your bike's stability and make real-time adjustments to keep you balanced. At low speeds, when you're maneuvering through traffic or parking, your bike will automatically adjust its center of gravity to prevent tipping. Even on tricky turns or sudden shifts in weight, the bike's AI will adjust to keep you steady. Imagine being able to stop at a light without putting your feet down, or riding through winding mountain roads without worrying about losing control. This feature will be a game changer for both new riders and seasoned veterans. Voice-activated controls. Hands-free operation for ultimate convenience. In 2025, your bike will respond to your voice commands, offering true hands-free operation. Whether you're adjusting the volume on your music, changing your route, or making a call, all you'll need to do is speak. The AI system will recognize and execute your commands without requiring you to take your hands off the handlebars. This convenience is a big step forward in rider safety as well. With no need to fiddle with buttons or touchscreens, you can keep your attention fully on the road. And for those of us who love multitasking, imagine being able to ask your bike to check the weather or send a text while riding, all without missing a beat. Voice-activated controls will redefine the ease and safety of riding, making it easier than ever to stay connected while on the move. Predictive maintenance alerts, AI diagnosing issues. Before they happen, one of the most frustrating things as a motorcycle owner is when your bike breaks down unexpectedly. With AI-driven predictive maintenance, this problem will become a thing of the past. The onboard system will monitor the health of your bike in real time, diagnosing potential issues before they develop into major problems. Whether it's detecting low tire pressure, identifying a weak battery, or anticipating an engine issue, the AI will send you notifications and alerts about any concerns, allowing you to take preventative action. This early warning system means fewer breakdowns, less downtime, and lower repair costs in the long run. You'll also get detailed reports on your bike's performance, so you can plan maintenance schedules based on actual data, not just manufacturer recommendations. Rider health monitoring, integrated sensors for vitals and fatigue detection. Safety goes beyond just the bike. It's about you, the rider. In 2025, AI motorcycles will come equipped with integrated health monitoring systems designed to track your vitals and detect signs of fatigue. Using sensors in the seat, handlebars, and helmet, the bike will constantly monitor things like your heart rate, body temperature, and even your posture to ensure you're riding at your best. If your heart rate spikes too high or the system detects signs of fatigue, the bike will alert you, allowing you to take a break before it becomes dangerous. This is especially important for long-distance riders or those tackling challenging terrain, as it can help prevent accidents due to rider exhaustion or health issues. With AI monitoring your health, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your bike is looking out for you. Dynamic lighting systems, adaptive headlights for better visibility. When riding at night or in low-light conditions, visibility is key. The AI motorcycles of 2025 will feature dynamic lighting systems that adjust the bike's headlights based on your speed, steering angle, and road conditions. If you're cruising straight on a highway, the lights will focus farther ahead to give you a longer view. But as you take a sharp turn, the lights will automatically shift to illuminate the path you're about to ride. In addition to adaptive headlights, the system will also incorporate brake lights and turn signals that respond to your movements. If you're slowing down or turning, the lighting will adjust accordingly, increasing your visibility to other drivers. This not only makes night riding safer, but also gives your bike a futuristic, intelligent look as it adapts to the environment. Traffic prediction, anticipating congestion and offering. Alternate routes. Another exciting feature of AI motorcycles in 2025 is traffic prediction. Using real-time data from the bike's navigation system, the AI will be able to anticipate traffic congestion and suggest alternate routes to avoid delays. It can detect patterns in traffic flow, identify upcoming bottlenecks, and offer suggestions that allow you to sidestep traffic jams before they even happen. This is particularly useful for urban riders, who often face unpredictable traffic. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or navigating construction zones, your bike will help you stay ahead of the traffic curve, saving you time and frustration. Integrated augmented reality displays, navigation and data overlay on helmets. In 2025, your helmet will no longer be just a protective shell. It will be a high-tech display. Integrated augmented reality. AR displays will show critical navigation data, performance metrics, and even real-time diagnostics directly in your line of sight. As you ride, your helmet's AR display will overlay route directions, speed, and upcoming turns, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road without having to glance down at a screen. Additionally, you'll be able to view bike status information like tire pressure, fuel level, and maintenance alerts, all without taking your focus off the ride. This integration of AR into your helmet enhances safety and convenience, making it feel like your bike and helmet are working together in perfect harmony. Collision avoidance systems, AI reacting faster than human reflexes. The future of motorcycling is not just about helping riders do things. It's about protecting them as well. AI motorcycles will be equipped with advanced collision avoidance systems that react faster than human reflexes. These systems use sensors, cameras, and radar to detect nearby obstacles or vehicles, calculating potential collisions before they happen. If the system detects an imminent crash, it can take action to avoid the impact. Whether it's applying the brakes automatically, steering away from danger, or providing a warning, the AI will ensure you have the best chance of avoiding an accident. With these features, AI motorcycles will offer an extra layer of protection for riders, drastically reducing the risk of collisions and making motorcycling safer for everyone. So there you have it, AI motorcycles of 2025, a blend of futuristic technology and safety features designed to transform your riding experience. From real-time route optimization to self-balancing technology, predictive maintenance to rider health monitoring, these bikes will be smarter, safer, and more intuitive than ever before. Which of these features excites you the most? Could AI really change the way we ride? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about these groundbreaking developments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the future of motorcycling. Thanks for watching and ride safely.